here. We got the 2 cars right to the airport. Running late. Stopping. Oh, it's the same rail cars we had yesterday. 146 and 145 returning back to the airport. This was train 3425 yesterday, and this train was running late, too. Take care of that. What's going on? The train's leaving? Rail cars 146. 145. Running late again. The next train will be the Warminster train, and then we'll get another one. More action to come. Warminster train. Yep, the water. There's the Warminster train coming in. And 2 cars. This is the Warminster train from the airport. Rail cars 333 and 334. And 332. And he'll come up with an airport train. More trains, more action to come. The next train's going to be an express. The Warminster or Doyle. Train.
5:30. The local to Doylestown.
Where
It's running across.
444! 443! 392 and 393! Because it goes very fast.
Yeah, but you don't sprint.
SEPTA train 5:30. The local to Doylestown is running approximately 15 minutes late due to Amtrak track work.
Still waiting on something train 5:30 to go.
Okay, it's time to go.